So hello and welcome to another brown box. Yeah, we've got something else to unbox. We've got to unopen it. This is the GINX full suspension mountain bike. I've not seen this before, so I'm quite interested to open it up and show you what's inside. So let's just get started. Okay, so inside the box you can see that we've got a lovely, well packaged container, including lots of foam padding and zippy ties and stuff like that, just to make sure everything comes nicely protected and in its safest as possible condition. Let's get this out and see what we've actually got to play with. Front wheel, 27 by 2 inch. We've got a front mudguard as well, which needs attaching. We've got a set of pedals, a nice large flat set of pedals with reflectors, headlight with reflector. So inside our box of goodies we have a charger, 48 volt 2 amp charger. It's a 110 to 240. We've got a small toolkit, a multi-tool, which is really good. I like the multi-tools because they're very flat and easy to carry. We've got a little screwdriver which is reversible with a flat head and a cross head. And we've also got a really nice little mini cross Allen key set, which is quite nice. Rather than having lots of separate keys. So yeah, it's a nice little toolkit. Inside we've also got our stem, spindle, whichever you want to put it, for going through the front wheel. It's a quick release, so we'll have to put that in when we put the front wheel on. This is our controller. We've got our speed controller and our up and down button, which will have to go on our display. The handlebars are taped to the front of the bike, so we need to take them off and attach them afterwards, so we'll do that as well. Keys are attached with a cable tie. So there's our handlebars, so we're going to have to get this out of the box now, lean it on the front and start the assembly. So I will do an assembly video as well, just to show you how it goes together. But first of all, let me just show you what we've got in the box. That'll be our box opening done. We've got our different components now laid out in front of us. I'm going to do a bit of an assembly and put this thing together, and then we'll do another test ride video, my first impressions video, as we go along. But let me just tell you a little bit about what you're getting for your bike. At the moment it's £1,499. Retail price is £1,999. You're getting 7 Shimano gears. You've got your mid suspension, which I'm really looking forward. I've not had a full suspension bike to play with yet. So you've got your mid suspension there for your rear, and you've got your front suspension at the front there, lockable suspension as well. Disc brakes, which